So how to transfer file Samsung to pendrive or SD card flash drive. So if you already have type C, then okay, and if you have USB, then you need to use this kind of converter. Just insert this on a pendrive and use this plugin. So I already have type C. Now I am entering my device. So insert this device, and once done, then you can see your USB storage is added. Now go to my file. Now you can see USB storage. This is it. So if you want to transfer to USB to phone, then just press and hold, press on copy, then go back. Now this is the internal storage. So camera, now copy here, then your file is copied here. Now if you go back to your image gallery, then you can see image is available here. Now if you want to transfer to phone your pendrive, then just press and hold, press on copy or move. Now go back, then press on USB. Now where you want to copy it, actually copy here, then this file is available here. So same way you can transfer video or file or any data from your Samsung to pendrive or pendrive drive. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.